Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Decoding Icons, and in this video I am going to tell about some opportunities that are coming from American Express, IHS Markit, AWS and Airbus. Package would be 9 LPA plus. Some of them are internship and some of them are permanent job. If you are from B.Tech and M.Tech, then you can apply to this opportunity, and the eligible batches are like 2020, 2021, 2022 and 2023. So let's get started with the video. Please watch this video till the end so that you can understand the opportunities in a better way and you can apply to it. So here you can see that I have opened a website of Airbus, and here you can see associate system engineer would be role. Full-time opportunity would be there, and qualification and experience, engineering graduate any stream, understand the business requirement and specification, design, develop, test and document software application modules, right? So these are like you need experience or qualification in these things. It means if you are from 2020 and 2021 batch, then you can apply to this opportunity. Responsibility will be like his or her primary function are incident problem management, major issue resolution and continuous service improvement, end-to-end responsibility to assure operational availability for the end user. It means here are all the responsibilities are mentioned here. If you are going to hired by this company, then you need to do these type of things in the company, right? If we talk about its package, then its package would be like 9 LPA plus, and it's a good opportunity for you if you are from 2020 2021 batch, right? So let's talk about next opportunity. Next opportunity is coming from IHS Markit 2022 intern technology, right? So first of all, let me tell you guys that which batches are eligible for this, right? So if you go down, then you can here you can see that have or be working towards a bachelor's or master's degree completing no later than September 2023. It means if you are from 2022 to 2023 batch, then you can apply to this opportunity, right? So let's move ahead and see about IHS Markit. If you don't know about IHS Markit, then you can read it out from here, and if you are passionate about solving challenging technical problems and have a desire to work in technology, this is the stream for you. Software development, information technology, infrastructure, quality assurance. It means these three are like post available for the students, right? During your summer internship, you will gain invaluable on the job experience while developing the skill to drive your career in the corporate world. You will partner with our industry specialists to deliver high impact work and grow your skill set through our interactive development session, right? So here you can see it is a summer internship, and they are saying that you will gain invaluable on the job experience. It means the job experience would be far better than other company, they are saying, right? For our technology applicants, we recommend the following: a science or technology, engineering, maths related degree. It means these are like qualification they have listed. And here to be eligible for the summer internship, you will be eligible legally eligible to work for the duration of the program in the country for which you apply, right? So these are the eligibility, you can read it out from here. So this is also a good opportunity. If you are from 2022 and 2023 batch, then you can apply to this opportunity, and B.Tech and M.Tech students can apply, right? So hurry up guys, only 31 applicants are there, so there is a high chance of shortlisting, right? Let's talk about next opportunity. Next opportunity is coming from American Express, and this would be like analyst product development, right? So if you don't know about American Express, then you can read it out from here. So let's go ahead, and here are the key responsibilities are listed, so you can say that you can read it out from here. Experience eligibility 0 to 2 years of experience in a same related domain. If you are from 2020, 2021 and 2022 batch, then this opportunity is far better for you, right? Its package would be 8.9 LPA plus, right? So you can apply to this opportunity, and there are many things, you can read it out, right? So the last opportunity is coming from AWS cloud intern, and it is coming from F13 technology. One day ago, over 200 applicants, so you can apply to this if you have a relevant skills about cloud and all, right? So this is for 2022 and 2023 batch, so you can apply to this opportunity, and this opportunity is for 2 months, and this is also unpaid internship. So if you are 2023 batch, then you can apply to this opportunity because you will get so much knowledge after completion of this internship. And if you are from 2022 batch, then I would say that you should prefer job rather than internship now, because your session is about to end, right? So these 4 opportunities I wanted to tell you guys. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you have any doubt, then please ask in comment section. We'll meet you guys in next video. Till that time, bye bye, take care.